By some estimates, there are currently more than $100 billion in unclaimed property funds owed to companies from thousands of sources. Federal agencies, cities, and counties, for example. How did this happen?
There's a lot of reasons for this. Large companies often have hundreds of subsidiaries and a lengthy history of M&A activity, all factors that make it easy to lose track of assets. Additionally, certain lines of business become integrated in an M&A transaction, making the trail to certain funds more complex. Likewise, international restructurings, which occur before or after M&A activity, may also result in funds being forgotten.
And let's also not forget that M&A activity can lead to an awful lot of turnover. And as a result, funds may be left unclaimed when certain key employees leave a business and that institutional knowledge is lost. Accordingly, acquisitive companies or recently acquired targets are perfect candidates for asset recovery services, so long as they are also in compliance with the AUP or abandoned unclaimed property laws.
Many companies don't recover these funds because it's a lot of time-consuming, costly, and complicated work.
It is quite difficult. There's thousands of sources of unclaimed property out there totaling more than $100 billion. There isn't a centralized reporting service, unfortunately, or consistency to how the records are kept, and recovery requires compliance with various intricacies of thousands of different sources. The information available on the internet is limited in most cases relative to what the states are actually holding.
The right tools can help make sense of all this.
It's all about the technology. Our proprietary corporate asset recovery technology helps automate the unclaimed property search process, increasing and expediting the identification of and recovery of these funds. Databases are comprised of millions of unclaimed property records, including property held by state abandoned property offices, federal, city, and county agencies, and other corporations.
And the right tools and procedures can turn a potential liability into a corporate asset and drive significant value for companies.
PwC can really help identify outstanding property that companies are unaware of, helping reclaim additional corporate revenue, increase cash flow, and potentially secure the collection of millions of dollars. Recovering unclaimed funds can make a difference in a company's finances and sustainability and can result in more cash for investment or more return to shareholders.